Oh man, it is hot. It's 99 degrees. I'm done. That's it. No more walking. Just stopped in for Katie and the little dogs. That was their last walk, so owner should be home in a few hours. I am going to go home and relax. I am going to give Paisley a bath. That's kind of high on the agenda today. And then I'm going to relax. So that'll be good. Can't complain. Everything else going well. Just hot. Need some water. Call it good. So that's it. Short video today. I'm fried. Hot. So just gonna tell you guys that I appreciate you watching. Hey Dad. And as always, see you on the next one.